On this activity, we're going to be solving each inequality. We're going to click where it says this one and just color it with the bucket so that we can see which one is the answer. So let me show you a quick way on how to solve these problems. First thing that we do is I'm going to copy the original one here, x minus 7. And it says here that it has been disabled by the star version of decimals. So let's find a way around it by putting brackets. So I'm just going to go to put brackets, and you can see automatically that it graphed a line for me. Now this is saying that from here, this one right here, as you can see, if I click at the very end, it will give me an open circle, and all these numbers on the left side will make this equation true. So what I do here is I type in each one. So again, bracket x is greater than -5. And as you can see here, this is going on the other side. No, I wanted to go to the left side, so it is not this one. Let me put in the other answer choice, which is x is less than -5. And as I can see here, it is right on top of the green line. So that means that if this is the same graph, it matches. So from here, I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to go to the bucket, make it colorful so that I can show that this is my answer. Now, which one of these is it? So as I can see, I can turn off my answer choice, or delete it, and then I click here. It is an open circle and is going to the left. So which one is it? It's right here. It's an open circle and it's going to the left. So this one, it is my answer, and it is that symbol. So let's go on to the next one. Brackets -1 plus r is greater than or equal to 4. So as you can see here, it is not giving me anything, an exclamation mark, because it is an r. So what I'm going to do, well, let's see what it says here. It says type y equals in the beginning. I don't know if I want to do that. It's still giving me that. So no, you know what? I'm not going to do that. What I can do, and I'm comfortable with doing that, is changing that r to an x. After doing that, automatically it gives me my answer right here. So now I am going to type in these two answers. Again, just remembering that we changed the letter r to an x. So x is greater than or equal to 5. Let me see if that matches my graph. Exactly, it does match exactly. So this one, ladies and gentlemen, it is my answer. So I'm going to fill it with this color. Let me try this next one right here. X is greater than 5. You're like, well, miss, it does match too. Let me turn this one off and this one off. Let me study it. So I'm going to click on the very end of the line and see how it's a closed circle. Let me turn this one off, and let me turn this one on. And let me do this right here and see how this one, it is an open circle. So it's not exactly the same. But if I put the other symbol the way it was, let me check that one off. See how it is a closed circle now. And then the original one, it is a closed circle. So just check on those if they're the same graph on both. And as you can see, we said that it was going to be a closed circle. So it's going to be this one right here. I'm going to color it with this color. Let me find the next one. So the next one, it says, again, start off with parentheses. Now I know I changed the letters to an x. -6 is less than or equal to -14. So where is my graph? There it is right here. So what I do is on the first and the second one, I'm going to type in this one. X is greater than or equal to -8. And I forgot to put the brackets. So there we go. See how this one is going to the other side? So it is not that one. So what I do on this one, it is I change the symbol to that one. And see how now it is exactly the same graph. So I'm going to check this one out. It is a closed circle. And then I'm going to check this one out. It is a closed circle. So they're both closed circles and going to the left. So see, closed circle going to the left. So it is this one right here. I'm I'm going to click on this one, and this has to be a -8, not a +8. And then this one, it is going to be this. And that is my answer. And it is that simple. Now, on these, you guys can try it on your own if you already got the hang of it. If not, you can just follow along. X minus 7 is less than -12. And so I have my black line here, so I'm going to type in the first one. X is greater than -5. See how it is not on top of the black line, so it is not that one. How about if I type in the other side? X is less than, and now I can see here that it is on top of the other one. And again, this one, it is a -5. So the answer for this one is this one. And then it's going to the left. This is going to the right. This is going to the left. So this one right here, ladies and gentlemen, it is my answer. Now let's go on to the next one. Again, bracket. X minus 17 is greater than -16. I'm going to type in the first answer choice, which is brackets. X is greater than 1. Is it on top of my line? Yes, it is. Let me try this one. X is greater than -1. See how it starts more on this side? So it is not exactly on top of this. It's not exactly the same line. So the answer, it is this one. So I'm going to click on it and shade it in. Now remember, where does this number start off at? I click on it and it is at 1. And it's an open circle going to the right. So look at the answer choices. It starts at 1 going to the right. So this one right here, it is my correct answer. And there we go. Now the last one. I am going to type it out. 15 plus x is less than or equal to 0. There's my line. So I'm gonna start off with this one right here. X, let me delete this, is less than or equal to -15. Is it exactly the same line? Yes, it is. Like the green one is on top of the blue one exactly. So this one, it is the answer. And which one is going to the left? Let's see. This is going to the right. This is going to the left. So this one, ladies and gentlemen, it is my answer. You're going to get one problem like this. And you're going to, hopefully you won't forget how to do this and you'll get this question correct.